In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email composing format in Microsoft Outlook. If you want your new emails to appear a certain way every time you write a message, Outlook gives you a simple setting for that. This is useful if you prefer richer formatting with things like bold text, lists and links, or if you want a cleaner, simpler plain text style. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that setting and how to update it. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and make sure you're on the main screen. Once Outlook is open, look toward the upper right area of the window and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Outlook keeps many of the options that control how your mailbox looks and behaves. After the Settings panel opens, find and click Mail. This section contains the options related to sending, receiving, and composing messages. If you're not seeing everything right away, take a moment to scroll through the panel until you locate it. Next, click Compose and Reply. This is the area where Outlook lets you control how your outgoing messages are created. You'll find settings related to message appearance and the general email writing experience. In the Compose Message section, look for the Format option. Here you can choose whether you want your emails to be written in HTML or plain text. HTML is the better choice if you want more formatting flexibility, such as different text styles, colors, and structured layouts. Plain text is more basic and removes most formatting, which can be helpful if you want a simple, consistent message style. Select the format you want to use going forward. Once you've made your choice, click Save to apply the change. That's it. From now on, Outlook will use that selected format when you compose new messages. As a quick tip, if you send emails to different types of recipients, it's worth thinking about which format best fits your needs. HTML is often more polished for everyday business communication, while plain text can be better for minimal formatting or compatibility in certain situations. If the setting doesn't seem to update right away, try closing the Settings panel and starting a new email message to confirm the change. This helps you make sure the new format is being used properly. And that's how to change the email composing format in Microsoft Outlook. Once you know where this option is, it only takes a few seconds to update anytime you want.